Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the INH Hair newest hot tool, which is the blowout. Now, when I was little, I was really obsessed with blowouts, but I could never do them on my own. That is still true today, but let's see if it actually is still true today with this hot tool right here. Timestamps are going to be in the description below. If you're looking for a specific piece of information, it's there. And while you're here, why not subscribe? First of all, let's talk about this beautiful packaging. INH has done it yet again. I love the box. It's so cute. It says morning blows, but they don't have to. Be careful because what's inside is gonna blow your mind. Blow my gosh, you look good. And this brush will blow you away. I like it because they said we had so many clever lines for this launch and we couldn't narrow it down to just one. Funny, right? Okay, we don't wanna hold you up. Ready, set, blow. Whoever came up with these things, really punny. We should be best friends. This is how she looks like. It looks like something from the future. So first we're gonna start with the before, which is this. It says it's 60% quicker than blow dryers. It's extremely lightweight. This is 1200 watts. I do remember reading that for some people in other countries, you might need to get a converter. It also says during the first few minutes of initial use, you may notice smoke and a slight odor. It sounds scary, but this is normal and will disappear quickly. Just all the parts getting warmed up for the first time. I'm glad I read that because I would have freaked out. What's super important is when you're using heat on your hair, make sure to spray your hair with heat protectant. I'm gonna use this Dry Bar Prime and Prep Detangler, which protects up to 450 degrees. So the first things first is I'm gonna put my hair up, half down. Okay, and then we're gonna split this baby into twos. Take a sip of LaCroix. Say a little prayer to the hair gods. I hope you're following this to the T because it's important. If you look right here, there's this little blue line that'll tell you what everything is doing. Ooh! Wow, I totally didn't expect it to make sound, but obviously it makes sound. Why did I think that? What I'm realizing now that is important is to slightly damp my hair and then brush it out, then use the blowout. So let me get my spray tool real quickly. Spray. If you have thick AF hair like me, then you want to section it into a lot smaller pieces than you think. I thought that first piece that I took, way too big. Learn from my mistakes, that's why you're watching this video, and we're learning together. And I'm just gonna keep brushing it out a little bit and do smaller sections on this. Then I recommend making sure the back of the hair is dry, just go straight. And then with the front, you go like this. You put your hair on top and then you just slowly comb it out, but comb it out away from your face. At least that's what I'm doing. Next step, I'm just going to split my hair down even further. Okay. And then again, spraying with the water. And then spraying with some primer. And then we brush, definitely work towards the bottoms, then do it all over again. Okay, side note, the brush that I was using was really being a pain in my butt, and then I forgot that I had the INH hairbrush. So much easier. Okay, back to fast forwarding. So it definitely helps when you're looking in a mirror. I don't have a mirror right here. This is a viewfinder that's really small. So if you see me looking this way, it's because my mirror is right there. Okay, now I'm gonna go focus on the mirror real quickly and try to touch up anything that I missed because I wasn't really using my mirror most of the time. And then I will give you guys my final look and then impressions. So here is the finished product. We want this hairstyle to last. So I like to put hair oil. One of my favorites is Squalene. And this is from The Ordinary, one of my favorite brands. And you just take a little bit goes a long way. So like 2 drops per side if you have really thick hair like moi. And we're just gonna put that baby in, and then we'll do like 1.5 on the other side because it's not as thick. But that's gonna add some nice shine, take away some frizz, because let's be honest, my hair is like in need for a trim soon. And then finally, I'm gonna put some hairspray, and voila. So here's the after. What I think I would do differently the next time I do this is do even smaller sections, just because my hair is so thick, but I'm still able to get that blowout that honestly only a hairstylist could only give me in the past. So in terms of time, it took me about 35 minutes, but obviously that's with me learning how to use it, and that time is going to vary based on the thickness of your hair for sure. So to finish my look, I'm gonna take this resin barrette that I made, and I'm just gonna put it here because I always love that clipped up look, and voila. So I give this blowout a 5 out of 5. There's definitely a little bit of a learning curve, but I think once you learn it, and I would say that I'm like 90% of learning it, and I think if you have the right tools, you know, like your hair oil and you have your heat spray, I think you're gonna be really good to go. I would love to see how this looks on you guys, so please feel free to tag me on your Instagram. This is my Insta right here. I would love to look at your creation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other INH hair videos right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!